Doc CJ Marasigan and Doc Pauline Nadino. Big round of applause. Siyempre, doing this, look at our doctors. So beautiful, so professional, and so warm. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. I agree, Ma'am Valerie. So Luminis has been at the forefront of innovation for several years, and we are very proud and honored that we are the first clinic who will provide you with the MD products. And thank you, Bella Promedica, for giving us the opportunity to be the first clinic that will provide your innovating medicines. And we've been using these products for several months. And we've been receiving a lot of positive feedbacks with our patients. And not only positive feedbacks, but of course, less follow-ups, more happy patients, less post-inflammatory hyperpigmentations. That's why we are continually using these products. And let me share with you some of our favorite products that we've been using in our clinic. Though we haven't had photos with our patients yet. So let me share with you our first product. Our MD Jesmer Peel. So this is a combination of your salicylic acid, your lactic acid, and your resorcinol. So basically, these products it targets your acne, your pigmentations, your sun damaged skin, and this product is basically we recommend this to patients who are very oily and who has large pores, very acne prone. And of course, for patients who wanted to have less wrinkles, more brightening of their skin, so we usually recommend this Just Peel. So if you are familiar with Kukil Peel, so this is also, you don't see visible peeling, no redness after. There's a little, of course, when you apply the medicine, there's a little itchiness or stinging sensation, but once it's after washing it with water, you don't feel any downtime on it, like there's no redness and there's no itchiness. And of course, still you need to lessen sun exposure, like 2 weeks before and 2 weeks after this Just Peel. So this is a picture that could actually tells you that it really improved, though this is not our patient, so it will really improve their acne, their redness, their inflammation. With our patients, we have this patient that she already did 3 sessions of Just Peel, and she mentioned to me that there are still some acne, but what she observed is less post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation when she started shifting Kukil Peel to Just Peel. And if you're going to compare Kukil Peel over Just Peel, Kukil Peel is more of the superficial. But with the Just Peel, it will target also your sebaceous gland that will help reduce the excess oil. And we all know that oil attracts more bacteria. That's why if you have more oil, more acne. You are more prone to acne. Then our second peel is the Spinel Peel. So the Spinel Peel is a combination of your azelaic acid and your salicylic acid. So basically with our Spinel, we usually recommend this to patients who are very sensitive skin, who has very sensitive skin, patients with rosacea, with the redness. Basically we recommend this, and for patients who have post-inflammatory erythema, like after they have this acne and what leaves is the marks, the red marks. Of course, we need to treat those red marks because later on it will become pigmentations or even scars. So that's why it's very important that even if those acne are flat already, we still need to treat them with pills and even lasers. So next will be, so this is a picture of a patient who lived with spinel. So the patient has post-inflammatory erythema, and basically with our patients, after 4 to 5 sessions of spinel, it did improve their redness, especially for our patient who has rosacea. Some, of course, with combination of our white lung lasers and of our luxury facial. Of course, with rosacea, you need to hydrate. With luxury facial, you need to do spinal peel and also white lung laser that could address those vessels that leads to the formation of those redness. Next is the Tranex and Ready-Peel. So this Tranex and Ready-Peel is actually for patients who wanted to have a brighter skin, and if you wanted to remove your post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation from acne, from any other pigmentation, from scars, and even we use this for stretch marks. So this Tranex and Ready-Peel has a downtime for a week. So after we apply the peel, there will be a little bit of redness for 2 to 3 days. And then you would see visible peeling if compared with the Just Peel and Spinal Peel. Just Peel and Spinal Peel doesn't have any visible peeling, while this Tranex and Ready-Peel, it does have a little exfoliation. You see visible exfoliation, and it actually helps reduces also your melasma. So for patients who wanted a shorter peeling, then this would be a product that we can use for you. And the last peel will be actually we have the melon of peel. So we don't have the melon of peel here. So the melon of peel is this product. So this product, I don't know if you're familiar with the other brand. So the other brand, this one it's a little superficial deep peeling. So you would see visible peeling. You would see redness over the for 2 weeks. You would see redness. You would see visible peeling, and this basically for if you want more of reducing your fine lines and wrinkles, removing your sun damage skin, removing your pigmentation. And if you are okay to do a peeling with usually lasts for 2 weeks, this is a better peeling for rather than the Tranex. So if you're open to do more deeper peeling, then we can use this Melan Off from MD Cuticle also. And the last product that we've been using in the clinic is the Exosome with polynucleotides. So exosome is very high today. And a lot of our exosomes, maybe you are wondering why we choose exosomes of endoceuticals. Because the exosomes of endoceuticals is derived from Centella asiatica. And I know for a fact that you all know what is Centella asiatica. It's basically for hydration if your skin is very sensitive. And we usually see this over-the-counter products. And this is a plant-based. So other exosomes are animal-derived. And of course, with plants, there will be no harm with us because this is just a plant. Let me share with you one of the doctors. He shared before during our conferences. He said, but I don't know if it's just a marketing strategy, that if you use animal-derived exosomes, we don't know the behavior after several months. That's why we choose exosome derived from Centella or plants, because it's actually safe for us. So with exosomes and polynucleotides, it's like the exosomes are your they communicate with other cells. They said it's like chismosang cells. Like the exosomes will tell you, oh, there's inflammation on the side. So let's gather here and then let's treat this area. Let's treat the inflammation. Let's treat the pigmentations, and let's hydrate the skin for better skin quality. So this would actually help your exosome. Actually, exosome is one of our procedures nowadays that are very nowadays, siya yung parang pinaka-ano namin. Every day, we have a lot of patients doing our baby skin with exosomes because of the effect. Like after they do the baby skin with exosomes, they have glowing skin and they love doing exosomes and going to parties. They love their skin, and a lot of them receive compliments with their colleagues. So this one, you do your exosomes every 2 weeks. You can do that. So that's all. So you have any questions?
So, Doc, you were comparing the
Melon off and the Tranix plus Retinol off.
you were comparing it with one of the popular products that they might know.
Yes.
I think it's Cosmelan.
Yes, it's Cosmelan. Actually, with our patient, it's the same. The quality is the same. How we do the Cosmelan and this one is the same. So for this one, you need to cleanse first your face and then you have a solution that we need to apply and give her just like 10 minutes. And then we will put a mask and you will go home with a mask. Like you have like a brown yellowish on your face that you're going to leave for 9 hours. So this is a little superficial deep peel. So we call this superficial deep peel. And the peeling can last for 2 weeks to 3 weeks.
So, Doc, what's the difference between Cosmelan and then the melon oil and also the and then the mga TCA pill, yung mga uso nung 1990?
Okay.
And the
So,
price point?
for the price, this is a little cheaper than the Cosmelan, to be honest. With the products inside, the ingredients is the same as the Cosmelan. With the TCA is just a trichloroacetic acetic acid. So this basically is more of the superficial peel only. So this would not it will not go down beyond on your sebaceous gland. So it will not really help you with the remodeling of your collagen and elastin. So with this one, it helps reduces your fine lines and wrinkles also, if comparing to TCAs.
Can you use exosome, these products, in the whole body, not just
Yes, there's no limitation when using exosomes. You can actually we have this patient that we use exosome for wound healing. Me myself, I had an accident. I had this burn because of the what do you call this? Autoclave. So I accidentally do sa autoclave and then they put exosomes. We put exosomes same day. And then it turns out that my wound looks like a 6-month-old na wound on the 7th day. So that's how powerful the exosome is. And we even have this patient na she has eczema. So it's a bacterial infection of the skin. And it has crusting on her face, and exosome helps her to relieve to regain his skin, and also produces more collagen.
Okay, all right.